Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing the insole and opening the internal cavity. This reveals the LED module and battery pack. Use a spudger to lift seams carefully because the glue is fragile. Work slowly. Once exposed, disconnect the battery connector so nothing shorts while you work, and label the red and black wires with tape. Make sure your multimeter is ready to test continuity. This tells you whether the issue is wiring, battery, or the LED itself. From here, you're ready to inspect the components closely. Now diagnose the problem. Check battery voltage first. If it's below the rated value, replace it. If voltage is good, test continuity to the LED. You'll often find a cracked solder joint where the wire flexes. Heat the joint, add a small amount of solder, and reform the connection. If the LED strip is damaged, cut at the nearest solder pad and splice in a matching replacement. Use thin, flexible wire for strain relief so future walking won't break the connection. Once soldered, insulate with heat. Reconnect the battery and test the lights before you reseal anything. This ensures your repair worked and saves time. Once confirmed, apply a flexible adhesive along the seam and press the layers together. Use clamps or heavy books and let cure for 12 to 24 hours so glue bonds under pressure. After curing, run a final functional test and wear test briefly. If the lights still fail, make sure to try a replacement battery or inspect the tiny controller board traces. Often a micro crack there causes intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.